by faith alone, by faith alone. We look ahead through each and every challenging year with mixed emotions of hope and fear. Hope for the peace we long have sought, fear that our hopes will come to naught, unwilling to trust in the Father's will. In our own arrogance and pride, we hold on to our own logic and shallow skills. We are no longer satisfied to place our confidence and love with childlike faith in God above, whose tiny hands and torso heads kneel in prayer by little beds, casting their needs into Him who promised. Then we who search and never find the answers to our questioning minds. For faith requires a childlike heart, humble and persevering, without self-strength to lean on. Oh Heavenly Father, grant again a simple childlike faith to men, forgetting impossibilities of a human eye, and seeing only the greatness of our Father in heaven. For faith alone can save man's soul and lead him to all life and riches, stored for us in corruptible heavenly storehouses. With faith alone, we win all the battles.